Hey guys, welcome back to gunnut226, and today we are doing a knife review. So I have this knife here because I've been wanting to collect them and I just thought this one was really cool. So let's check out the blade. It opens pretty fast and that's really nice. And I don't exactly know what type of blade steel this is, but I do know it is a really nice blade and is nice and sturdy and thick. Let's check out the blade centering. The blade centering is pretty on point. It looks nice and well centered in the middle. While the knife is out, it is nice and sturdy, and even by force I cannot move it. So you know that's pretty well. That's pretty nice. Let's check out the washers. You can't really see them, so I'll turn on a flashlight to see if I can see them better. To me, they look a bit white, and they look like plastic, but that's alright. The weight, let's check out the weight. I have a little measuring thing, weight thing over here. And it looks like it's about 4.592 ounces. It's a pretty good weight. The handle material is a nice sturdy plastic, and it may not be metal, but plastic is still pretty nice as well. The pocket clip is nice and long, so it gets stuck in your pockets pretty deep, so it won't come out easily at all if on accident. So it will stay nice and snug in your pocket. The durability of this knife is pretty good. It's pretty nice, well made, and I will cut a piece of paper just to see how nice the blade is. It's pretty nice, pretty sharp. And then I just thought this was a nice, cool knife, nice little knife, because of the golden blade. It's like a golden wood, which is really cool. And then we have wolves over here, and wolves are awesome. Who doesn't love wolves? They're just so cute and fluffy. So I just think that was really cool. And then for this knife, I got it at a gun show for about $10. And for the quality of this knife, that is a pretty good deal. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe and turn on those notification bells so you get notified when I post a new video. Bye!